Hi friends, welcome to the channel, Journey Towards. Please watch the complete video on YouTube channel Journey Towards. Learn corrugation secrets. Why adhesive quality decides box performance. Manufacturing is no longer just about machines producing products. It is about experiences shaping efficiency, technology driving intelligence, and innovation redefining possibilities. In this video, the following points will be discussed. 1. Adhesive is the structural backbone of corrugated board. 2. Starch-based adhesives enable controlled bond formation. 3. Adhesive controls pin adhesion strength, PA. 4. Gel temperature determines machine speed. 5. Water content controls board moisture balance. 6. Penetration versus surface bonding balance. 7. Adhesive rheology controls application quality. 8. Adhesive enables energy-efficient drying. 9. Adhesives support sustainability and recycling. 10. Adhesive quality directly impacts final box performance. Finally, manufacturing is evolving from making products to creating smarter systems, empowered people, and sustainable progress. This is not modernization. This is the revolution of manufacturing experience, technology, and innovation. Stay connected. Thank you. See you in the next video.